Hello, math scholars. Today's problem that we're working on is how to find the time change given our starting time, which is here, how much time passed, our elapsed time, and we want to find the final time, which we're going to put here. So remember, we've been talking about how final time minus the starting time equals the elapsed time. So we can use the same way to figure out about this. So what is half an hour later from 11 o'clock? Well, if we think about quarters, half an hour later is still going to be 11 o'clock. It won't be 12 o'clock. So it'll be 11:30. 2 hours later, from 1:15, it's like we're adding 2 hours to 1:15. And we will get 3:15 because 15 plus 0 is still 15 and 1 plus 2 is 3. So I will put 3:15. Now, 2:30 and 20 minutes later, it's the same concept. We're just going to pick 2:30 and we're going to add 20 minutes. Notice here that there's no hours here to add, which means that our minutes added together is 50 minutes, and the 2 is just going to drop down, so it should be 2:50 p.m. What about before? Before means we're trying to find time that happened before the current time, which means we need to go backwards. Instead of adding, we're going to subtract, right? So we're going to subtract 15 minutes from here. And what do we get? 45 minus 15 is 30, and 4 minus 0 is 4, so it's 4:30. Our current time will be 4:30, which is 15 minutes before 4:45. Now, the last one, 6:30, 30 minutes after. This is a little bit more difficult, but let's figure it out. So I have 6:40 and 30 minutes after. After I have to add, because I have to find out what time comes after 6:40. But I notice here that 40 plus 30 is 70, which is more than 60 minutes, which is more than an hour. Which means I need to take 60 of those 70 minutes and turn it into an hour by carrying it over to the next larger unit. See how I added an hour for those 60 minutes? And if I took 60 of those 70 minutes, the amount of minutes I have left is 10. And therefore, it should be 7:10 a.m.